How to fix TikTok profile view option not showing. First, open TikTok app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the profile icon at bottom right corner. Sometimes you can't see profile views on TikTok because you have more than 5,000 followers or you're under 16 years old. These statements are not listed in TikTok application, so you can check whether your account meets requirements or not. Next, it may be caused by some unknown bugs. To fix this issue, you can update the app. For that, simply go to Play Store and search for TikTok. And if it's need to be updated, then simply update. Or you can restart the app. If none of the tips are workable, you'd better contact TikTok support system or create a new account. So, this is how you fix TikTok profile view option not showing. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe us for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.